TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 1 p.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day, and it's been an exciting day in both ways in the market. We have a 50 basis point surprise cut from the Fed. You could call it a surprise. Was not at a planned meeting, but the market began to price that in potentially yesterday, the run up higher in the markets. We have a chart of the S&P up here, currently trading the futures negative 21 points or 0.7% in the red, 3,043. We get that surprise rate cut. 50 basis points. We trade from about 3,060 up to almost 3,140, back down to 3,030. That's a 3.6 decline in the S&P from the high at 10 a.m. to the lows that we made at about 11:15, and we're right back near those lows currently. And the S&P is trading at 3,041. The low in the futures market 3,023, so about 16% or about 0.5% from the lows we made an hour and 45 minutes ago. Jumping over to the charts, we'll start things off with the Dow. There you see the acceleration in the Dow on the surprise cut. Up to 27,000, down to a low of 26,181. We're only 30 points away from that level in the Dow. NASDAQ 100 was up at a price level of 89.98. We trade down almost 300 points to 87.08. Currently within about 30 points from there at 87.41. S&Ps we covered at 3,040 right now. There's your crude oil market, trading somewhat with the markets. We were as high as 48.50 on that news. We're currently trading at 47.18. Gold contract trading higher all day. Quite a run for gold. 16.47 in the price of gold right now, basically right near session highs. And the euro-US dollar trading at 111.61, initially spiking up to 112.11 on that news. Other news out there in terms of earnings season, Target shares falling. We'll see how they're trading right now. Fourth quarter results, pretty decent results. 1.5% same-store growth, right in line with expectation. They beat on earnings, 169 versus 165. Revenue a miss, 23.4 billion versus 23.5 expected. Target shares trading today down almost 3% with the market, though, trading lower. That hitting some of Target so far this morning. Walmart, their competitor, down about 1.4%. Kohl's out with their earnings as well. Kohl's was higher all the way up to 42, back down now actually minus 2% at 37.66. Stay tuned, folks. Should be an interesting 3 hours left in the day. Steve Rhodes coming up live with the Trader's Edge 1 to 2. Dave White from 2 till 3 with the Power Trading Hour, and Tom O'Brien live at 3. Stay tuned, folks. Dow off 392. We'll be right back.